Did you know that it was National Chicken Wing Day? Me neither. Guess that gives me a reason to cook some wings. Start by patting these guys dry. Seasoning: tablespoon garlic powder, tablespoon Lowry's, same for paprika, onion powder, pepper. I'm gonna add some cayenne too. We're gonna coat them. Cover in the fridge for an hour. Cooked wings in the oven. I've cooked them on the grill. Today, I'm frying them and baking up. I'm gonna dredge them in some flour. So now we're gonna fry them for about 5 to 6 minutes. All right, last batch, all done. Going with all 3 Mumbo sauces. This one's the hickory smoke, local out of Chicago. And the original sauce. And then my favorite, the tangy hot sauce. Nothing better than a tangy hot wing and a Saugatuck Brewery IPA. Are you kidding me?